Want to make this Canva animation? Go to Canva and click video, landscape video, go to elements and scroll down to shapes, choose this square and resize it to cover all this page. Go to color and let's change the color. Let's adjust the duration, make it 1.6. Click zoom page and let's make this icon big. And you can upload your image from uploads. Let's just use this one. Let's place it in the middle and adjust the duration to 1.6 as well. Click this plus button and choose blank. Adjust the duration and duplicate all these elements. Go to the second page and align these elements. Make the shoes in the middle. Click on the first page and choose this image, animate with chroma wave. Click on enter. Decrease a little bit the speed and go to the second page and let's resize this shape like this and increase the size of this image. Let's make this timeline bigger and click add transition, match and move and increase the duration. And here's the results.